What's up, man?
What's up?
Yes, sir. Did you take that fridge apart?
Yeah. I had to take the door.
Ay, ay, ay.
I had to take the door apart to get it out.
Yeah, we're gonna need to put them back on. They're gonna fly out.
Oh, I threw away all the screws.
Well, I'm gonna have to sit it down and then just strap this on top and then strap it back in then.
Okay.
You got a dolly?
Yeah. You want to put these on first or?
No, we gotta put the fridge down, lay it down.
Ready?
Yes, sir. What street is this?
Hudson Crossing.
Hudson Crossing, huh?
Yep.
McKinney, Texas. You know, you got another junk removal company right down the street, man.
Really?
Yes, sir. You know why?
Why?
Why you called me? Because I got better pricing than him. You can't beat them, you join them. All right, what I'm gonna do, since took the doors off, we gotta push it towards me.
Okay.
Well, that's gonna happen, but
Oh, so you're gonna put it on and tip it over.
yeah, is it gonna go down that side?
Okay.
It looks like it.
Yep.
Should fit, barely. Let's get that dolly. That'll kind of work.
So that's how you did it, huh?
Something like that.
Frisco one.
That's how I get them, man.
Yeah, yeah.
Nobody can compete.
Good job, good job.
It reeled you in.
You got it covered both ends.
What's that?
I said you had it covered both ends.
Oh, yeah.
We can actually put it back.